Welcome back everybody to Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. And today, Haulover is absolutely firing. We're probably not going to see a lot of action. Even this sea ray is a beast, and I have no clue what they're thinking trying to go out today or where they're trying to head to, but this is probably not going to be good. But our crew's making their way out. They've got the boat just barely up on step, which is typically a good pace, but man, here we go. We are getting absolutely rocked as we get the double stuffed just like an Oreo. And here, even worse, we get this girl in the back who's decided she's gonna try and move. As a captain, nothing annoys me more than this. We can't tell anything that's going on behind us. It's going to be loud in this situation. Captain's already probably panicking a little bit as he's taking waves over the bow, and he absolutely can't see what this girl is doing. And this is a recipe for disaster. If she fell back there and got hurt, Captain would never even know. Heck, even worse, if she would have slipped and went overboard, it would probably be quite some time before anybody even noticed. But luckily she finds her seat a little further forward. But in that kind of situation, guys, if you're in a safe spot at least in your seat, just stay put. Don't worry about it if you're getting wet. Don't worry about the small things. If you're in a safe spot, you need to stay still. But our captain continues to muscle his way out, and this boat's taking a beating. I mean, I just can't understand sometimes. Oh man, the roughness of what's going on here is beyond description. They're getting pounded. And it doesn't last long. This boat as it's coming back in looks like a wet dog as the water's just pouring off of it. But it's worse than you think. If you look forward here, you're going to see the hatch on this vessel. And that hatch, where all this water was running over the bow of the boat, is now gone. So somewhere when this boat took a wave over the bow, they lost the bow hatch, and all that water you saw come smashing over the bow of this boat is now inside the cabin of this vessel. I mean, this is a bad day for this crew. There has to be a ton of water in this boat. You can tell by the way the boat's kind of bobbing and sitting bow heavy. There's a bunch of water, and our captain is taking it overly cautious now. And typically, this is a 5-round competition. Usually we have 5 vessels come in here, step in the ring, try and do battle with Haulover, and see if they can pull it together. But today, I don't even know if we can get past round 1. I mean, sometimes Haulover just goes for the knockout and takes the win, and that's the way I kind of feel about this one. These guys got beat so bad that Haulover takes the first round TKO. It's like it's a Mike Tyson fight in this one, where it's just, these guys never stood a chance. Unfortunately for this crew, they take the loss. Haulover takes the win in this episode, but fortunately, they make it back in safely. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens at the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.